Today we're going to install the passenger rear door panel on this 2013 Chevy Silverado. The tools we'll be using will be a 10mm socket with an extension and trusty little magnet for just in case. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. We'll pick up the door. We're going to start with that cable there. We're going to latch it into place there, bring it around, then slide the little butterfly ears right into that to secure it down. Alright, so we'll put this thing in there, bring it around, push it into place. There it is. Next we'll grab this pigtail here, bring it out, pull it out, and just hang the door for now. What I like to do is put this switch into the pigtail so the pigtail doesn't run back in there, just like so. And we're actually ready to mount this back into that. Alright, so there's two levels here, 1 and 2. There is two levels in here, 1 and 2. So the first level is going to go right up here. Second level, this little plastic piece, it's going to go right in this little canal here. So we're going to bring the door up, just like so. See that plastic piece goes right inside that little canal. Perfect. Perfect. I just want to make sure your door is nice and lined up. Give it a nice good tap all the way around. Secure it into place. Our lock is exposed. Slide this down. Pop in the little lock. There it is. That could have actually gone a little bit lower, so I'm going to go ahead and pop this out again. I'm going to use my little trick tool removal, actually a little pick. Pick this out. Bring this all the way up. Just let it sit flush in there. Press. Perfect. Now it's nice and flush. That's exactly what we want. Alright, so now we're going to put in the bolt there and 2 more bolts there. This is where the 10 with the extension comes into play. Or the magnet as well. Put them right in there. Plug in need both hands. There it is. And do the same thing to the other side. And secure these down. Same thing with this one here. And for this one, you'll lift the door handle to be able to get to it. And there it is. There's a little pin right there. That means it's going to go right into that side there. So that's going to slide right into place. These 2 little flaps are going to go right up there, and that also has a little pin right there. So this is going to slide right into place. Make sure it's nice and flushed, and you are set. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Outside works. Inside, another story. Nope, still works. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.